Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to log out of Discord app on your phone. But before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Discord app, and once you have opened up your Discord app, go back and click on your profile at the bottom right. Once you are here, you want to scroll down until you see log out, and then basically click log out, confirm, and that's it. You will be logged out. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know in the comments down below.